YouTube just increased the price of YouTube Premium, but if you're paying $21 per month, you are definitely overpaying. I'm going to show you how to save some money. Now here you can see I'm on my YouTube app here on my iPhone, and it says, okay, upgrade to YouTube Premium, and it's $20.99 per month. And if you just tap on Get YouTube Premium, you'll be able to see it doesn't give you many other options. It just says family at $35 a month or individual at $20.99. However, if I go over here, you can see individual all of a sudden is $15.99 per month, and I get 1 month free trial. You can see it's free for the first month, and then it's $5 cheaper every single month. And you might be wondering, why is this? And essentially, the reason for that is called the Apple tax. If you have an iPhone and you basically make an in-app subscription within the YouTube app, Apple tends to take about 30%. So what YouTube does is they just essentially tack that on to the price that you pay, but you don't need to do that. I'm going to show you how to get around it. So let's go over to the YouTube app. Let's say you went through the process and you already have the premium service. Just go through the process of canceling it either in the YouTube app, or an easy way to be able to cancel it is just to tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, and then tap on your name at the top, and then just tap on Subscriptions here, where you show subscriptions at the top. If you see YouTube, all you need to do is tap on it, and then at the bottom, tap on Cancel Subscription. Now keep in mind what this does is it will allow you to have that YouTube Premium until your next billing cycle, and then it will cancel and downgrade your YouTube just to the free YouTube. However, after that, you can just re-sign up using the cheaper price. So after you've canceled it, you're going to hop out of here and open up a web browser, and then just go to youtube.com and sign up for YouTube Premium directly from their website. Now you can see $15.99 per month. Family is also cheaper, but you can also do a student discount at $8.99 per month, or Premium Lite at $8.99 per month. I want to show you one other cool option that you might want to consider as well, and that is Google AI Pro. Now, if you use a lot of storage on Google, you can see you get 5 terabytes of storage availability to back up everything on your iPhone or Android or computers. But it also comes with YouTube Premium Lite. So it's all bundled into $20 per month. But after you've done that, you can essentially sign up directly on the website. If you don't see these prices, these cheaper prices, all you need to do is tap the 3 dots at the bottom right, and then just hit New Private Tab. And then from your private tab, all you need to do is type in YouTube Premium, and then go to Get YouTube Premium. And now you won't be signed in, and it'll say try 1 month for $0. Just go through that process of signing up and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.